another unboxing, so we're gonna start with the package song. I have a package, I have a package, I have a package, yes I do, woo! And Susan probably just made you all realize that she has had too much wine.
No, I like doing the package dance.
I know, but then the camera starts going all over the place, and people, if you are seasick, I apologize. We'll call it Susan sick.
It went wee!
Whee! All right, so let me open up this box and show you what we have in here. So I got from PopMart one of their Lord of the Rings blind boxes.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
And you see why I said we're opening the whole thing on this video.
Oh.
So, I've got one of them. I do not know who is inside.
Oh, they're all 1 out of 12. That is great.
Yes. So, we can get Frodo, Samwise, Aragorn, Gandalf, Gimli, Legolas, Galadriel, Arwen, Gollum, Saruman, Sauron, and Balrog. Greg, who do I want?
My blessing.
No, I want Legolas.
Oh, you are Legolas.
Thank you. So, we're going to open this up and hopefully... Actually, I'll like them all with Lord of the Rings.
I was gonna
Let's be real.
say.
So, take the card. I don't want to look at it. That was a good
Ooh, a PopMart mail.
All right.
Oh.
Am I gonna be excited?
This is interesting,
Oh,
actually.
it's Saruman. That is, or is that
No.
is this Gandalf the White? That's Gandalf.
Which is you've got to be flipping kidding me.
Who did I get?
No. Please put it together.
So I have been informed that I managed to get the secret 1 out of 144 with one box. Am I happy about that? Yes, because you forgot to take the wizard staff.
I am shook, shocked, confused, and a little yeah.
But do I want more of these?
Yes, you absolutely do, because
Yes.
you just need a case now and you get every one.
I do need a case because I already have the secret one.
The amount of my face right now.
Just show everybody your nonsense.
The delusion. You missed behind the scenes. She just goes, oh, it's Saruman. And I look at the card and I go, wait, huh? And then I get the box.
And I've got Gandalf the White.
Can someone confirm this? It says secret, 1 out of 144. I don't see him mentioned anywhere.
Oh no, that's Gandalf the White. He's the secret one. Have I succeeded accidentally? PopMart, you are amazing. I don't know, whoever packaged this, whenever they sent this over, you did me a service. Give me back my Gandalf. I have to go fight some Balrogs.
You would need a wizard in all honesty. Because you're the elf, not the wizard.
Oh, Greg wants me to say something. On the third day. That's it. On the third day.
Bravo.
Sunrise.
Nice job.
Tally ho.